Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Actions to-do list organizer app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Actions is a to-do list and task organizing app designed to help users plan, structure, and complete their daily activities more efficiently. Built with a clean, gesture-based interface, the app focuses on simplicity and smooth navigation. It allows users to create tasks, set due dates, organize lists into projects, and use reminders to stay on track. It's available on iOS and integrates naturally with Apple's ecosystem through features like iCloud Sync and calendar connections. The app's main feature is its timeline-style layout, which visually arranges tasks by day, making it easier to understand what needs to be done next. You can swipe to complete tasks, drag to reorder items, and group related actions for better planning. It also supports recurring tasks and custom categories to help users manage personal, work, or school assignments more effectively. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its minimalist layout, smooth animations, and intuitive design. The gesture-based navigation makes task management quick, and the daily timeline provides clarity for planning. Users also value the clean interface, which reduces clutter and keeps focus on priorities. However, there are some drawbacks. Some advanced features, such as deep automation, smart suggestions, or integrations with third-party apps, are limited compared to other productivity tools. The app is also iOS only, which may not be ideal for users who want cross-platform access. Additionally, certain premium features require a subscription, which may not suit those looking for fully free productivity tools. In summary, the Actions app may be worth using if you want a clean, gesture-based to-do list organizer with simple planning tools and a visually appealing daily timeline. However, if you rely on automation, cross-platform syncing, or need more advanced productivity features, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.